Hi gang, Mr. Man here. I'm at school today doing some work and I'm going to put together an art project for you guys. What we're going to work on this week is creating abstract animals using simple geometric shapes. As always, there'll be a Word doc that gets sent out with this video that has examples in it. So it's pretty cool. If I probably get it kind of on the video here if I bring up that Word doc quickly. It's kind of small. Well, you just have to look at the Word doc. But anyway, you'll still be able to tell what the animal is, but it's going to be kind of a cool abstract representation of it. And we're talking about triangles, rectangles, squares, circles, ovals, all basic geometric shapes. Okay, so hope you guys are all safe and healthy and had a good weekend. I'm going to stop this and zoom in on my paper and show you how I would get started. Before I do that though, I'm going to show you, one of the first things you have to do is decide what animal you want to represent. In the Word doc there's a bear and there's like a kind of a flamingo looking bird that's represented. So I have here a picture of my dog, Charlie, and I'm going to do Charlie. I'm going to draw Charlie, an abstract version of Charlie using basic geometric shapes. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start. I got my white drawing paper, pencil, and looking at my image here, I'm going to put her head up here, and I'm going to start with a basic triangle, and I'm doing this lightly, so it might be hard to see in the shot. And then I'm going to do another triangle because her snout kind of comes out. And then at the end of that, I'm going to cut that triangle off and put a little box kind of at the end of it. Then I'm going to do two triangles that kind of go like this. See if you can guess what these are supposed to be. There. And I could do a little triangle here. And another one over here. That. Alright, now I want to work on her neck. So let's see here. I'm going to go from this ear over here. Let's just put a triangle that goes like that. Connects to there. But now I know there's another triangle that's going to be down here. Make that go up. So you can see these shapes are overlapping. I'm just drawing them over the top of each other. It's like a pile of triangles that's going to kind of make this up. I need another one that goes up here so I can go. There's one there. We have most of the body there. I have to build some legs and her rear end over here. So if I go like this, all right. I'm going to work out some legs here. I'll stop the video and I'll bring it back when I have that done. Okay, so I've got Charlie pretty much built here, all made up of just triangles. But it's kind of hard to see because I was sketching lightly in pencil. So what I would do now is I'm just going to take a black Sharpie and go over all of these triangles. So you can see all the parts that are going to make her up. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video and I'll bring it back when I've done all that and show you what that looks like. Okay, so there's my geometric Charlie. All the pencil lines have been gone over with black marker and you can really see her clearly now. And I'll send you this when it's done with the picture that I was looking at so you can see the actual photo of Charlie and then you can see the geometric Charlie that I created here. I think to finish this I'm going to color this in kind of multicolor with my Mr. Sketch markers and let the colors overlap. It's going to be kind of like a stained glass thing in the end. So I'll stop the video and I'll bring it back when I have some of that done, show you it partially completed and then completely completed, and show you how I would finish this off. Okay, so you can kind of see how she's coming along. It's kind of multicolor. I decided to do her nose black and her eyes brown because her nose is black and her eyes are brown, but other than that the colors obviously are not realistic. But I'll show you how I would work on this, like if I took, I'll do this red, this big triangle here. So these triangles overlap, so I'm going to overlap the colors. Like if I were to take this purple and I'm going to do this other big triangle here, I'm going to overlap the purple right over the red. And with these markers, almost similar to watercolor, you almost get a different color where they overlap. Alright, so I'm going to stop this. I'll bring it back when she's all... Okay, so there she is. It's geometric abstract Charlie. Pretty cool. So I'm just going to sign it. And there you have it. Okay guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you again soon.